At Lexus, we believe that regular maintenance will help you get the best level of performance, safety, and reliability from your vehicle. It can also help increase your resale value down the road. During your recommended maintenance at a Lexus service center, you can get peace of mind knowing that a factory-trained technician who knows and understands your vehicle will inspect your oil, brakes, and windshield wiper blades. And while your vehicle is getting its regular maintenance, make sure it gets a thorough safety check too. Is your battery showing signs of age? How's the tread depth of your tires? What's the condition of your cabin air filter? And if anything needs to be replaced, you can take comfort that your dealer will use genuine Lexus parts. Experience the convenience and luxury accommodations of our Lexus Service Center and discover what the Lexus guest experience is all about. Call or click to schedule your service appointment today. Lexus. Experience amazing.